Guys, hello everyone and no one. Today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to take your Twitch clips tutorial on how to take your Twitch clips tutorial on how what am I what's take going your on? Twitch clips tutorial. Okay. I don't know how that just happened. Okay. I don't know how that just happened. Okay. Oh god, I don't know how that just happened. Okay, it's happening again. Okay, oh god. All right, enough of that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to take your Twitch clips, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to edit them to look like this, so that you can take part of your gameplay and basically turn it into a YouTube Shorts clip, like a YouTube Shorts video, or you can take that and turn it into a TikTok. And I can even show you how to like put music on that, but I don't know if I'll do that today. But anyway, we're going to want to start by going to Twitch itself. Here's the website I'm on. And then you're going to want to log in and go to click on content over here at the left, and then click on clips. And then just to show you, I think I'll use this one. This one's called Jaws. I'll show you why it's called that. So we're going to click this, click share. And what we're going to, let's just say for now, we're going to want to turn it into a YouTube short. We click YouTube. Oh!
Now there's your screenshot, Ty.
Turn this down a little bit. Oh, I missed it. And what we're going to want to do next, actually, let's mute it. What we're going to want to do next is we're going to click edit layout right here. And then this is what it looks like originally on the left when we clipped it. And then on the right here is what we're going to want it to look like to turn it into a TikTok or a YouTube Shorts clip. So what we're going to do after that is this is where we want to put the clip. This is where we want to show it. As you can see, if I drag it, it like changes what the YouTube Shorts looks like. Let's put it right here. That's just about perfect. Then we're going to click on stacked right here. And then after we do that, it lets us put in a second little box here. And then with that second box, we're going to drag it where we want our webcam to be. And see right here, if you drag this, that changes the size of it. And I don't know if I really want to do that. So let's... Actually, that's about good like this, probably. But I'm just showing you for the sake of it. But see, it keeps looping. And this is a good way of showing us what it's going to look like. So yeah, I think that's about good. Let me turn on the volume so you know what it's gonna sound like. Oh!
Now there's your screenshot, Ty.
Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it. And see, doing this, we can get your webcam reaction, like, also clipped into there, as well as the actual game clip itself. So when you're done, when you're finally satisfied with how it turned out, you're gonna want to click apply. And then it's gonna show you again what the whole clip looks like. I'm just going to leave the title. You can actually change the title again if you want after you edit it. I'm going to click on Save Clip. And then it might give you an error like this. Sometimes this happens to me. But hopefully that won't happen to you. I have no idea why this happens. I just think that sometimes the servers are bugged or something. I really don't know. Actually, let's try with another clip. Let's try with... Let's try with, well, I'm sure you actually get the idea. So what you're going to want to do after you do that is it lets you take your clip. So if you wanted to share your clip, you go to here and you click share to YouTube. And then you click this right here. Share to YouTube. And then it's going to let you redo your own title when you upload it to YouTube Shorts. And then when you do that, after you go through all that, it's going to look something like this when you finally go through all that. It's going to upload as a YouTube short. And actually, YouTube Shorts are a great way of getting some a good amount of views because of how short it is. It's, you know, it's better for people's attention spans these days. But yeah, that's how you take Twitch clips. You can do this straight on Twitch. It's actually really simple. And you can do this to share to TikTok also. You can just click this, share to TikTok, post to TikTok. And actually, I would not recommend doing it that way. I mean, it works perfectly fine this way, as far as I know. But I would recommend taking your clips like this, clicking on this, and download the version that you want. So we're going to want to download the portrait version. This is the version that I edited. So we're going to go like this. You're going to want to download portrait version. And then let's just download it to YouTube downloads. You can name it whatever you want, but let's just leave it. And then for the sake of showing you how I would recommend you uploading it to TikTok, here's what you're going to want to do. So I'm going to go to my Discord. I'm going to go to the room where I just share a bunch of random crap. I'm going to go to upload, and I'm going to upload the clip I just downloaded. Okay, I don't have Nitro, so let's just pretend I did that. See here, if I can take the clips that I downloaded, and what I can do is just download the Discord app on my phone, and come here on my phone and just download the video from Discord straight to my phone, and then take that video clip, and you can actually edit it into something like this. That's why I'm saying to do it on your phone, because if you just transfer it straight to TikTok from Twitch on your computer, then you won't be able to edit in music, from what I understand. You'll only be you can only do that if you go in on your phone and just edit the video you already shared, but if that makes sense. But here's an example of what the fuck? Here's an example of a video that I transferred to my phone, and then I edit it and put on music. I think that's much better than just leaving it as is, especially if you lower the volume of the music in a lot of cases. It's going to make it a lot more pleasant to view. But yeah, that's basically everything I've been learning lately about taking clips from Twitch and transferring them over to as YouTube Shorts. Or you can, what I do is I transfer them to Discord and download them on my phone from Discord after transferring them from my computer. And then on my phone, I'll take those clips and edit them as into TikToks, essentially. So yeah, that pretty much covers it. That pretty much covers everything I was trying to show today in this quick on-the-spot tutorial. I didn't really write a script or anything. I just kind of tried to memorize all the points I was going to try to make. But here's an example right here of, I think, a clip that turned out really well. See you guys later. It's actually really simple to take your webcam and like edit it onto the actual game footage. And as you can see, this like car rolled back, and I was kind of just really surprised, and I didn't know how to I didn't want to get out because I didn't think I would be able to do it safely, and I didn't realize that I could just go into the driver's seat. But anyway, I think that about covers everything that I wanted to show, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please make sure to, leave a comment, or if it wasn't, then make sure to try to leave a comment. Tell me what you think I could improve on. Or yeah, just tell me anything you don't like about the video, but it would really help me a lot if you could leave a like and comment, and maybe even subscribe. But thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you.